Rocking and rolling on another busy day. Every day's a busy day here at Willies at Akins, y'all. And this truck's been here, and Real Deal hadn't reviewed it. And I've been eyeing this thing because it looks really good. A 21 F250 XLT Rapid Red Covert Edition, and showcasing that, you know, you can make chrome still look classy and unique and custom with having a modern vibe to it, because I think a lot of us you know, correlate chrome to not being legit and down with the get down right now. But Real Deal's here to tell you, do it the right way, you can make it work. So most of the packages you find on the Super Duties have chrome bumpers front and rear, and chrome badges and grills and door handles and mirrors and everything galore. So you're starting out with something that's going to be difficult to achieve if you're trying to delete everything. So we like to say, let's showcase and accent some of the chrome and body color some of the pieces to make it flow and look so nice. So up front, obviously you can tell we did the blue to rapid red on the front emblem only. Looks great. And did a trimmer valance up front, down below, to get that aesthetically pleasing overall look that we so achieve and desire for that front end. And mirror caps were chrome on the mirror cap here, and this was texture black, so did full rapid red on that. Looks so premium and legit. And doing it that way, coming around to this side, you can see from inside the cabin, you're going to be looking at premium painted materials, not texture components there. So doing a full paint match on the mirror is a must to me. Leaving the side badge works in this scenario because you got the side chrome and black accents throughout the entire vehicle. We are rolling on big boy 22-inch American Force wheels. We have a good supply of American Force wheels for our Super Duties now currently in 22-inch, so hit us up for that. We got a 2.5-inch level kit up front, the coil spring replacement from Ready Lift, and the Fox Performance Series 2.0 shocks, remote reservoir. We have a steering stabilizer set up front too with a Super Lift bracket. We have found, y'all, I need to tell you, the BDS bracket is just not the most legit way to go. We need one that mounts like the Super Lift does to the front diff cover area right there. This is the way to go. So we're actually changing from our BDS steering stabilizer brackets to the Super Lift just for that reason alone. We like the way that mounts up. As far as problematic issues, you see right here on the top too, a better example. On the BDS, it essentially just wraps around your front axle, which gives it ability to turn or rotate even when torqued down a lot. So just a side note there, y'all, too. But we are leveled on 35s. We typically do 37s, but a good look at what 35s look like. It still has a good proportional balance to it, not overdone as far as being too bolsterous. You know, a lot of people like their vehicles to not be as tall if necessary or need to be. In the 35, 12.5, 22, Toyota Open Country, AT3 all-terrain tire. Has great characteristics both on and off-road. A good look at the Fox shocks in the back also. Perfect. And anytime you do the 2.5-inch level kit up front, you do need to put a 4-inch block in the rear to get that equal height look, because if you don't, the factory block on a 2.5-inch up front will have that appearance of being, you know, slightly taller in the front than the rear, which we just don't like that at all here. So even you can see here with wheels and tires and running boards in the back for the customer is still sitting at a good stance, even on a downward pitch on the grade here. So out back, the emblem the same way. And I just want to showcase y'all, came from Dalton Ford, so you don't have to buy the vehicle here. We obviously would love for you to purchase the vehicle here at Akins in Ford and Winder, Georgia. We are, you know, a top dealership across the entire country. If we feel confident in our strong points of great customer service always, but there's a lot of great dealerships out there, y'all, a lot of them. So if you have a dealership that you are comfortable with, buy that bad boy and bring it to us to make it even more next level. That's what we're all about, y'all. Taking care of you in whatever fashion fits you best. It may be the full one-stop shop here, or maybe just buy it with your local dealer and then bring it to us. Or you may have a vehicle that you've had for quite a while that you want to do an upgrade to. Whatever the case may be, we are here to take care of you guys. Did AMP Research power deployable running boards on this one as well. Just a great Covert edition, leveled on 35s, looking great in the rapid red color that I love so much, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick one on a beautiful day here at Akins.